As usual, just identify yourself for the record.
Jermaine Thomas, coach McGrath High.
Yes, good match here this afternoon. Good start. Tell us about the game.
We knew it was going to be tough because we are like just about 3 minutes apart, so it's a derby game. But they were nervous. The kids were nervous, and it took a long while to kind of settle. But we gradually got it. In the second half, the latter part of the first half, we started putting out the ball, kept position of the ball a little bit more, and started create some more openings and stuff like that. And we did just that, and at the end of it all, it bears some fruit.
What was your game plan coming for the game?
Really and truly, we wanted to stay compact and see what they had to offer because we have not seen them all season. So we wanted to see at first, and then from there we would have decided how we approach. But nonetheless, we wanted to keep position. We wanted to get the combination plays going. Took a while, but again, kids are going to be kids, and the first game can be a little bit nerve-wracking for them at home.
You came second last year. You intend, to go one up further?
After losing 12 players, or 7 from the starting 11. I mean, let us take it a game at a time now, and then see where that takes us.
Anything for anybody? Okay, cool. Thanks.
Yeah.